Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna teach people how to beat cooking a fema. So yeah. Four fish. Okay, if you do not want to touch the bells if you get fish. Not touch, and for the carrot, do not touch the potatoes or the red. If you do, you'll have to hide from Virus Waluigi. We're gonna do cooking of fema on normal and hard. This video, ooh, I'm getting lucky with the carrot. I hope the other ones show up like eggplants and the blueberry and the strawberry and the strawberry. Okay, for fish. Okay, this is okay. That was close. Yeah, I almost touched the red or the potatoes, which you do not want to do. Ah, strawberry. Okay, you have to click on these blueberries and make sure they don't touch the ground. And oh god. Well, next to the eggplants, so I can show you that. So let me move this cord a bit to the side to show you. Okay, egg. You do not want this thing to fall and touch the side of the bowl. You want it to be in the bowl. Time I will actually do the blueberries because this one is only on normal. Strawberry. Okay, once you see strawberry, you click it. The strawberry. Eggplants again. Oh no! Hide from Waluigi. How long has this been? Wow. For fish, you do not. I repeat, do not touch the goddamn bells. Would you look at that? Now fit on hard, I suggest getting the Choco. Because, oh boy, Emma's patience just goes down fast on hard, and the carrot is a bit harder. As a potato, do not touch the potatoes or the red. The fish on this are a bit difficult. Okay, you can do this. You just have to click on the blueberries until a strawberry shows up, and then click on that. Like that. And we got it again. Okay. An egg. Carrot. Ooh, the carrot is tense. Or fish. The bells move faster. On it on hard. Yeah. Yeah, the bells. Do not touch the bells. Oh boy. The bells, the bells. Aha. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ah. Ha. 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 Boom. For fish. Do not touch the goddamn bell. Yeah, the bells. I'm not gonna do this on Insanity because on Insanity, you not have to just deal with Waluigi, but freaking Ashley. Yeah, the eggplants are faster on each difficulty. So yeah, there's that to mess up on the carrot again. Don't touch the red or the potatoes, just the carrot, and you click on the carrot. Egg, you click on it, keep clicking on it until it's over the bowl. Not on the side of the bowl, over the bowl. Oh, shh. That was close. I almost died there. Yeah, the patience gets down. If the patience ever runs out, you die to Emma. And on Insanity, you have to deal with 2 eggs and 5 fish. And the bells go extremely fast. So yeah, that's how to do Cooking with Emma. Yeah.